Hello everyone. Welcome to the demo of my web-based lecture scheduling system developed using the MERN stack in which MongoDB, Express, React and Node. This uh, project is designed to automate the process of lecture scheduling in universities, which is usually handled manually at the beginning of each semester. The system consists of four major panels: admin panel, coordinator panel, faculty panel, and student panel. In this video, I will show you how each part of the system works from a user interface perspective. Let's begin. Number 1. Admin panel. First, let's start with the admin panel. The admin has complete control over the system and can perform several important tasks such as: number 1, adding and managing offered courses along with their enrollment strength. Number 2, managing faculty members and coordinators. Number 3, adding classrooms and labs with their seating capacities. Number 4, automatically generating lecture schedules based on all the provided data. On the dashboard, the admin can view key statistics like the total number of courses, faculty members, coordinators, and classrooms. The admin can also view, update, and approve schedule requests, ensuring everything stays organized. Once the data is ready, the admin can generate a complete, optimized timetable with a single click. Considering faculty preferences, room capacities, and time constraints. Number 2, coordinator panel. Next, we move to the coordinator panel. So, the coordinator acts as a bridge between the admin and faculty members. From this panel, the coordinator can: number 1, add and manage faculty and student data. Number 2, assign courses to faculty members. Number 3, set up or modify class schedules. Number 4, send update request or schedule adjustment request to the admin. Number 5, view reports and generated timetables. So, the interface is clean, user friendly, and allows the coordinator to manage the academic schedule effectively and efficiently. Number 3, faculty panel. Now let's take a look at the faculty panel. So, faculty members can log into their dashboard and perform the following tasks. Number 1 task: select their preferred courses and preferred time slots. Task number 2: send update or preference request to the admin if they want to change a course or time. Task number 3: view their assigned courses, classrooms, and finalized timetable. Send classroom update or change request if needed. So, the faculty panel provides a simple and organized way for teachers to manage their schedules and stay updated with real-time changes. Number 4, student panel. Now let's explore the student panel. So students can log in and number 1, view their weekly class schedule. Number 2, check the enrolled courses and assigned faculty. Number 3, see the classroom locations and timing. Number 4, receive notifications about any updates or schedule changes. So, the student panel is designed to be clean and responsive so that students can easily access their information on both mobile and desktop devices. Number 5, automatic schedule generation core feature. One of the main highlights of this project is automatic lecture schedule generation. So, after the admin provides data about courses, faculty, and classrooms, the system automatically creates an optimized timetable that meets multiple constraints such as course enrollment strength, faculty, and classroom capacities preferences. This feature eliminates the need for manual scheduling, saving time and reducing human errors. The generated timetable is fully balanced and conflict free. Number 6, request and reports flow. The system also includes a request and approval flow for better communication between roles. For example, if a faculty member or coordinator wants to update a schedule or classroom, they can send a request directly to the admin. The admin can approve or reject it from the dashboard. And once approved, the system automatically updates the schedule in all relevant panels. So, this makes the entire scheduling process dynamic, interactive, and easy to maintain. So, this was the complete lecture scheduling management system demo. It's a fully functional web application built on the MERN stack, featuring a number 1, clean design, number 2, secure login system, and real-time updates for all users. The system simplifies the entire scheduling process from course management to timetable generation in an efficient and automated way. So thank you for watching. If you like the project, please share your feedback in the comments. Thank you.